guys, Keith here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're going to be looking at our 1978 to 87 El Camino lower body side moldings by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These moldings are designed to fit two-tone El Caminos with the fin style wheel opening moldings. Sold as a complete 6-piece set, our lower body side moldings are manufactured from extruded aluminum to factory specifications for a perfect fit. Each molding features a bright dipped anodized finish for an authentic appearance. Anodizing creates an oxide throughout the part, which helps protect it from corrosion for many years to come. In addition, we also include the mounting clips so they're ready to install upon delivery. We've sold thousands of these moldings to many satisfied OPGI customers over the years, and will continue to offer the highest quality restoration parts on the market. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to follow us for more updates and product features. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.